Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UNXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line annotation right there is coming from, and I point that out because from the broad sense, this level is very important, and it's the level where, again, assuming you care about the big picture of things, that's what matters. And I bring that up because today, in and of itself, wasn't the best day. It was kind of a buzzkill. Why do I say that? Well, I mean, the price actually started off very, very nicely, and then what happened the remainder of the day? The bears took back over and slowly pushed the price further and further downwards. Now, again, today, yeah, not the greatest thing, but taking a step back, looking at multiple days, aka the broad picture of things, the bulls are still, hanging in there. The bulls are still in control of the current move. How am I defining in control? How am I quantifying that? Well, that's circling back to this 9-cent level right there, which is being denoted by that green line. Because let's just say the price actually comes down here. I'm not saying this will happen, but let's say the price does continue to drift downwards, and that is something like it did already back here, and then starts to head back up. From the big picture of things, sure, that's not the most exciting action, but big picture, you'd still have a set of lows right there. That set of lows would be down there. You picture these as stair steps, and the stair steps are still heading in the upwards direction. So that's why 9 cents, assuming you care about the big picture of everything, is that key level, and so far so good. To give credit where credit's due. The bulls are doing a good job of hanging up above it. The level of resistance that I was talking about going into today was that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. So that is one good thing the bulls have going for it. They were able to get up above that purple line, and you want to see the price stay above it in an ideal scenario. But again, if the price does fall back below that purple line, you still got 9 cents there as that important level of support. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level, now that the price is broken above that purple line, right up there at the 15-cent mark. So 15 cents, public enemy number one, and those will be the two primary levels going forward. Maybe some sort of channel pattern is going to form with the bottom of the channel at 9 cents and the top up there at 15. We shall see, but it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.